Wrike, Smartsheet. If you're looking for project management, then one of these two are going to help you out. The question is which one? Well, let's dive in and find out. So Wrike Task Management. Wrike simplifies organizing, assigning, and tracking tasks with an intuitive interface. You can get quick updates on your statuses, you can set priorities, and you can monitor workloads to keep your team aligned with the needs of a project, and you can keep your projects on track. You get Gantt charts, so visualize project timelines for clear scheduling and progress tracking, manage task dependencies to prevent bottlenecks and delays, and you get real-time adjustments that ensure deadlines are met efficiently, and you can optimize your resource allocation across all project phases, which is amazing. AI-powered analytics. This is always great because where our human limitations come into play, we have artificial intelligence powered tools that can really dig deeper than what we can in a fraction of the time. So you have risk prediction, task prioritization, and actionable insights. This allows you to identify potential issues before they actually impact your deadlines. It also allows you to focus on high impact tasks, which will boost your productivity naturally. And you also get real-time data drives, which drive smarter decision making, which of course this is amazing. And this is done all within a few seconds or minutes. You also get custom workflows. You can adapt workflows to fit your team's unique needs. You can set up automated approvals to eliminate manual steps and streamline operations and reduce project delays. All in all, this is going to save you tons of time, and also that effort that you put into the boring, mundane things. You can build a workflow and it'll do everything for you. So you build it once and it works on its own. Okay, we're jumping into Smartsheet now, and don't look so worried like this lady does. Smartsheet is a project management system. It offers multiple views, such as a grid view, a Gantt chart view, cards, and calendars, and you can switch through these views easily based on what type of workflow you're actually working with. It also offers real-time collaboration, so you can see these four lovely young gentlemen. They are members of a team. You can actually share workspaces. You get instant updates and integrated communication. This is fantastic if you need to work on a large team, on large projects. There's lots of input, and everyone can be on the same page in real time. So if there's changes made, everyone is aware of those changes. That's really, really great. It has workflow automations, automate reminders. You can approve requests and reduce your manual work. This, of course, is going to save you tons of time and effort, allowing you to focus on the more important tasks or more higher priority tasks within a project. You can integrate the software with popular tools such as Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, DocuSign. This just makes it easier to sort of do everything in one space. So instead of jumping from app to app and trying to manage everything, you can do everything all in one space, and it syncs all of your data. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tools available out there today. My takeaway is always to go and try 2, 3, or even 4 of them to see which one actually works for you. And most of them offer free trials, so you can actually try them out without having any financial attachment to them. So before you invest, you can actually use them. Go ahead and try them out. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.